Hi, it's Carlene, personal stylist, shopper and presenter. If it is your first time visiting my channel, thank you. If you are a returning viewer, I appreciate you coming back. I have been a stylist for over 20 years, dressing everyone from those in the public eye, celebrities, well-known people, to everyday people, perhaps like you and I. This is my first full video where I'm going to be giving you everything that I've got. If I do not start with this subject, I am not staying true to myself and not staying true to what I believe as a stylist I need to be telling you or sharing with you on how you can style yourself. Today, we are talking about body shapes. We are going to be delving into body shapes. I'm going to be talking about the 5 different body shapes that I found that most women that I've styled, the last 8 years I've styled over 3,000 women. And most of those women fit into one of 5 of these body shapes. And I would say about 95% of them never knew their body shapes. So please stick with me today. I'm very excited to be sharing this with you because knowing your body shape is the difference between you dressing in a way that suits you and you not. None of us are born knowing what body shape we are. So I'm here to explain the importance of understanding your body shape so that you can create your personal style. There are 5 body shapes that I like to use that I found that have always worked for my clients, and they are hourglass, inverted triangle, apple, pear shape, and straight. In my experience, most of us fit into one of those boxes. Now, I'm not necessarily going into proportions right now. I'm just going into your body shape. This is basic 101 information. If you understand your body shape, your body type, it will make it a lot easier to shop. I remember the first time that I went to get a bra fit, I went to see the bra fitters at Selfridges. Walked in, they had a look at me. She went out, the lady, came back with what looked like a parachute at the time. I said to her, that is not going to fit. It is too big. She said, just try it on, trust me. I did. I tried it on, it fit me. To my shock, it fit, right? She did it by eye. That is how I tell your body shape is by eye. There are these body shape calculators. There are lots of different sites that offer lots of different information. Perfect. I can only tell you what I do. I can only tell you what works for the 3,000 women that I've dressed in the last 8 years. And I think it's the easiest way for you to work out what shape you are. Now, it may be uncomfortable for you to do this because I found that many women did not like standing in front of the mirror and looking at themselves. They just didn't like it. When it came to that part of the appointment, and I was like, right, let's stand in front of the mirror. And I always stand with my clients. It's 2 of us together. I always show you my body shape. I show you what I'm looking at, and then we look at your body shape. And a lot of women found that uncomfortable. And I think this is why many women who don't know what body shape they are is because they're uncomfortable with looking at themselves and comfortable with just accepting where they are, because our bodies have changed. If we've had children, I have, your body changes after that. I mean, you put on weight, you lose weight. Your body is not what it was when you were, in your 20s, even in your 30s. Things change so much, and it's hard to just stand in the mirror and accept that. But I can tell you that is the very first step in you just live in this new world of wearing things and picking things that you like. You just need to really understand where you're at. I want you, after this video, of course, to go and stand in front of the mirror. I want you to put on something quite tight and quite fitted. If you're comfortable to just stand there in your underwear, then that is the best option. If you're not, maybe some leggings and a tight vest. Stand in front of the mirror. Look at yourself. Give yourself a moment. No kids, no dog, no husband, no distraction. Just you and the mirror, you and your reflection. It's just you. Look at yourself up and down. Just become familiar with your body shape. Now, I will say that if you're not wearing a bra or wearing the wrong bra size, it can alter what you see. Also, what is going to alter what you see is how you see yourself. So it can be difficult to do this, but I want you to try. And if you can't do it, then you can contact me, holler at me. I will help you tell you what your body shape is. I have a body shape appointment that is very quick. It's very easy. I will tell you what body shape you are, and I will send you some tips as to what you need to be looking out for when you're shopping and when you're choosing clothes, okay? Okay, let's carry on. Stand in front of this mirror in either your tight clothes or your underwear. If you find that you've got big boobs or that your boobs are quite low, just tighten your bra straps. You need your boobs to be up so we can see whether you have a waist or not. There's so many women that tell me they don't have a waist, and I'll say, hold on a second. Tighten up their bra, There it is. Okay, so please be honest with yourself. Look at yourself. If your boobs are low, pull them up. Also, I know that a lot of women like to wear their boobs lower because their boobs might be bigger and they don't want to draw any unnecessary attention to themselves. Ladies, you're doing the opposite. I can see your boobs even more when they're not where they're supposed to be. Wearing a well-fitted bra, yeah, well-fitted is the key there, meaning go and get fitted. I don't know why so many of us guess our bra size. Again, it's not something we're born knowing. You need to be measured, okay? Go and get a professional bra fit, stand in front of the mirror and look at your body shape. Now, there's 3 areas that I focus on when I am looking at somebody's body shape, and these are the 3 areas that I want you to focus on. I want you to look at your shoulders, your waist, and your hips. I want you to look at those 3 areas, become familiar with them, and then I want you to look at what is going on with those 3 areas. Are my shoulders coming out more than my hips? Are my shoulders in line with my hips? Or are my shoulders more narrow than the bottom part of my body? Those questions will determine your body shape. Once you've worked out where your shoulders are in line with your hips, then the next area we need to look at is number 3, the waist. What is going on with your waist? So let's say your shoulders and your hips are equal and your waist is smaller than them both. Hello, you're an hourglass. If your shoulders are narrow, more narrow in comparison to your hips, but your waist is quite small, you are a pear shape. Your hips and your bottom half, that'll be where you carry your size, your weight, your shape, is all bottom half, okay? Think this celebrity right here, all right? Narrow shoulders, you know, normally smaller busted, not always, small little nipped in waist, and then your hips come out more than them both. It doesn't matter about the size, it just matters about the proportions, where they are. If your shoulders come out a lot more than your hips and your waist is a little bit defined, more than likely you are an inverted triangle. Your shoulders come out, you go in at the waist, you're quite straight through the hip, you are an inverted triangle. If you find that you are quite round on top, what that means is your shoulders, boobs, stomach area, all kind of the same size, but you have very thin legs in comparison to your top half, then more than likely you are an apple shape. The last body shape is straight. That means your proportions are quite equal all the way down. You might have a slight waist, but it's not really defined. Your shoulders, your waist and your hips, there's not really much difference in those measurements. You're quite straight, all right? That would make you a straight body shape. Now, it doesn't matter what body shape you are what you are. You have to accept that. I don't believe personally as a stylist that even if you put on weight or you lose weight, that your body shape changes. Yes, your size changes. Yes, your waist might not be as small as it used to be, but if you're an hourglass like I am, I'm always going to be an hourglass. If you are wondering why is it so important, Carlene, to know your body shape, as I've said throughout this video, just knowing that information will help you choose clothes that suit you. It's all about enhancing your natural proportions, whatever size you are, whatever height you are, whether you have a defined waist or a straight waist, it doesn't matter. It's all about enhancing your natural proportions. I can guarantee that if you start dressing for your body shape, you will get compliments. It's not why you're doing it, but it will naturally happen because people will notice that you're wearing something that suits you. If it's the right color, but that's another video. But when you're wearing the right color and the right body shape, you will feel good because you'll look in the mirror and go, actually, oh, I have got a waist, or oh, I have got a bum, oh, actually, this looks quite nice. And it just boosts your confidence. And then when you see people, you will just get compliments. It just happens. People come to me sometimes and say, I just want to be styled to fit in the background. I'm like, what? What does that even mean? I understand where that comes from some people, but if I style you, if you're wearing something that suits you, people are just going to notice you. It doesn't have to be a bright color. People will just notice that you stand out because you look good. Knowing your body shape actually enhances your confidence and builds confidence in you. Build confidence just in your self-esteem, and that's what it's all about. It's all about you. We're not doing it for other people. We're doing it for ourselves. And knowing your body shape will definitely help with that. I hope that the tips that I've given you to find your body shape are useful. Please let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. If it didn't, as I said, again, in the comments below or contact me on my website, please subscribe to the channel. There is a lot more style advice that I'll be sharing with you guys. Basic body 101 tips that we're not born knowing, that no one necessarily tells us, but we should know if we want to create our own style. I would love to know if you use my tips to find out your body shape. Please let me know in the comments below. You can even post a picture and tell me what shape you are, and I will tell you if you are right or wrong. How about that? That's quite good. You leave me a comment, I will 100% reply. Also, if you have any questions, you're not sure if there's something I didn't explain clearly and you want me to explain it a little bit more, again, leave me a comment and I promise to get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful, and I will not know that unless you tell me. So please do tell me. Give me a like, and if you're going to give me a thumbs down, just at least let me know why, so a girl can change what she's doing. Hope you guys are well. I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye.